Hey guys, it's me, Christinamariebeauty. I am doing a foundation tutorial. We are doing Physicians Formula Super BB All-in-One Beauty Balm Cream. If you're wondering how this is on the skin, I will do a check-in. I'll actually cover half of my face, show you guys what I thought, did it cover up the redness, how it wears, and then I'll check in throughout the day doing a wear test to see if this actually slides off my skin or stays on. This does have an SPF of 30. The packaging is lovely. And let's see, I'm going to tell you all the stuff it does for you and whether it lasts. So just stay tuned. And before we go to that video, can you please push that subscribe button and the little bell next to it gives you notifications when I upload a new video. So let's get to that video. Okay guys, let's get started. So let's open this up and see the texture of it. Okay, you guys can see that. Now it's not a runny texture, obviously. Not super thick, but it looks thicker than the average liquid. Let's go ahead and apply this to half of the face with a beauty blender. The world's largest beauty blender. I just cleaned the dampened the beauty blender. You guys can actually see I have a tremendous amount of red pigment in my skin. Let's see how this looks. So far, I think you guys can see that it has like this nice sheen finish to it. This is more of a natural. This is more of a natural foundation. It is covering, but just a tad. It has that nice shine that you get with the SPFs in it. So what do you think of the coverage? Look at it. The color is absolutely perfect. Now I'm going to have to say, look, okay, so here's all the redness that you normally see. I actually went over it's like a color shade that didn't come off my lips, so you can see how much red it actually covered. The foundation, it looks really pretty. It is a very lightweight, natural foundation. As you can see right here, you can see a few of my freckles still through the foundation. Very lightweight, natural foundation. Now, does it last? I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and finish up my face and show you what it looks like after. But so far, I mean, guys, what do you think? I do like how it makes you look very natural and glowy. But does it stay on the skin? I don't know. Let's cross our fingers. I'm going to finish up and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, guys, so I thought I would turn the camera around and show you what the foundation looks like before I set it with the powder, before I put the blushes on, my contour, the whole bit. Look at this. It actually looks like my skin, just a little more perfected. I actually kind of enjoy this. I think this is probably the most natural foundation that I have in my drawer. You guys know I typically wear a medium to fuller coverage, but this actually looks really like pretty. I'm going to see if it lasts. I'm going to go ahead and finish up my makeup, show you what it looks like, and then do my check-ins throughout the day. Okay, guys, so this is the check-in. This is Karen and Anthony.
Well, you got to start it over. I didn't realize that.
Okay, yes, of course. So I'm going to ask them a question. How does my foundation look?
Very good.
It looks very good.
It's a BB.
It's a BB.
BB. Very
BB.
BB means it has like everything in it. Like,
okay.
Like moisturizers, it minimizes pores, the whole bit. But,
that's good.
But how does it look? Does it look natural? Does it look heavy?
It looks natural for me. It's not something that
I do have more hair than this every time. It's just cutting it off.
But I like it. Yeah. I like it because it's not too heavy looking. It's definitely a daytime look. I like this makeup on you.
Okay, but am I oily? Do you see my redness?
A little bit on the nose.
A little bit on the nose, oily.
Okay.
But the redness, I don't see the redness.
Yeah.
It covers it pretty good. What brand is this?
This is Physicians Formula.
Oh,
Wow.
they're good.
Yeah.
They're good.
Really good.
I don't know who they are. I'm just saying.
Yes, but I always ask Anthony, how does my makeup look? And he's like, what? I mean, you always look good, which I appreciate that comment.
Yeah, I think so. I think I'm the worst looking person in this video because you guys look great and then my hair is kind of cut off. My hair doesn't look great even when it's supposed to look great, but today it's really doing its own thing.
But he was also saying that he can't see the red pigment of my skin tone through the foundation, which is good.
Right, it looks good. I mean, you got a little rouge on the cheek, but you added that, right?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah,
See,
okay.
see, that's why I have him on camera. He notices a little attention to detail.
Yes, I've watched women do this. The apple of the cheek and the whole thing. Yeah, I know what's going on there.
Okay, so we are out. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, guys, so that was actually a check-in of 3.5 hours later. You guys can see I'm a little bit oily, but they thought it looked good. I think it still looks good. I'll check in a little bit later. Okay, guys, so this is 5 hours later. Foundation looks great, but you can see that in my nose, on the side of my nose, and like my T-zone area, I am really oily, so I got my Scott one-ply toilet paper. I'm going to go ahead and just push it down, see if it comes up or does it reset. It's actually really oily. You guys can see, look how much oil just came up. That is a lot of oil. Push it down. Now, I am noticing that a lot of the foundation is not coming out. There's a little bit on my toilet paper here, but not much. You guys can see right here. And look. So when you push it right back down, it almost like it sets back down, but it also sets where I look like I powdered my skin. Yeah, so I'm looking in the mirror. It looks like I just put fresh powder on top of that, which is kind of funny. I've never experienced that with a foundation where you push it down and I've had where it sets, but I've never had where it sets in a powdery finish, and it's set in a powdery finish, which is actually quite lovely. I'm going to give this foundation a total thumbs up. I think if you're looking for like more of a natural looking foundation, I would totally get this. This is more of a light coverage, but with all the benefits that it claims to have, especially with the SPF 30 in it, that helps with your wrinkles, or it's an anti-wrinkle, anti-aging SPF, you know, sunscreen. I'm gonna say like, yeah, I'm actually really impressed with Foundations Formula. Foundations lately. Foundations, I said Foundations Formula, didn't I? Physicians Formula, Foundations lately. But if you guys did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that little subscribe button and that tiny little bell next to it. I am Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.